In grammar, let's continue to talk about verbs. Today, we will form past tense verbs by adding ed. Let's do a quick little review. By my red star, a verb can name an action that happened in the past. That's one thing that a verb can do. A verb is an action word. So one thing a verb as an action word can do is that it can name an action that happened in the past. So that's what we're talking about right now. You can sometimes add ed to the end of the verb to show that an action happened in the past. And last in blue, words like yesterday or last night give clues that an action happened in the past. Let's look at the sentence in blue. Yesterday, the children walk or walked on the beach. We have two different options to fill in this sentence. And I can use my thinking question and look for clues to help me figure out which word would work best. Do I see words in the sentence that tell me that this might have already happened in the past? Yes, there are clues in this sentence that tell me that this has already happened. Yesterday. This tells me that it's already happened because it's telling me that it happened yesterday. Yesterday, the children. So we will choose walked because you can sometimes add ed to the end of the verb to show that an action happened in the past. So yesterday, the children walked on the beach. Yesterday, the children walked on the beach. That is the correct way that the sentence will read. Yesterday, the children walked on the beach. Let's look at a couple more sentences. We will pick the verb that tells about the past. Let's do this activity together. Write each sentence. Use the verb that tells about the past. We will be looking for the verb that has the ed ending. Number 1. Yesterday, they picked up seashells. Yesterday, they pick up seashells. Which verb tells that it happened in the past? Yesterday, they picked up seashells. Number 2. The children look at the clouds. The children looked at the clouds. The children looked at the clouds. Looked has an ed ending, and it tells that it happened in the past. Number 3. They packed up their bags last night. They packed up their bags last night. They packed up their bags last night. Packed has an ed ending that tells that it happened in the past, also the last night clue. And number 4, they watch the rain. They watched the rain. They watched the rain. Watched has an ed ending that tells that it happened in the past. You can sometimes add ed to the end of the verb to show that an action happened in the past.